Hey guys, market is about to be open in 30 seconds. Let's see what the market is performing at the moment. London manipulation and reversal, probably near continuation. Again, we shall see. Let's go on the 4 hour to see what the further flow says. Okay, we sweep. Aha, okay, so we have these relatively equal highs on ES with all-time highs. We also have those lows. On the 4 hour though we are bullish on ES, so I would be high key bullish. We also have those relatively equal low highs on NQ as well, and we are also bullish on the 4 hour and NQ. On the 1 hour we are obviously also bullish. Yeah, we're still bullish. Though on ES we broke the structure to the downside, so hourly we are bearish on ES. On NQ though we are still having this fair value gap to the downside, so technically we are bullish on NQ and bearish on ES. Okay guys, so we're pushing to the downside. I could have entered like, well, there was no entry to be honest. Yeah, I could have entered here, but to be honest, risk reward is like 1, and yeah, we could still very well just reverse right now to make a retracement to the upside before going before making this massive move down. We already did hit this equilibrium on NQ, but we even hit this fair value gap. But if we just reverse like that, and this 5 minute candle will close here or something, or even bearish, then I'd rather not take such a trade, because I'd rather see a proper retrace with a 5 minute candle being closing bullish. I know short in that isn't that like, yeah, I could have short on that, but again, we like on the high time frames we have nothing to target, and so I genuinely don't think I should have it. Like, that was looking like an entry, but guys, when the market hits when the candlestick hits, for example, equilibrium or fair value gap, but only by the wicks, but not by its candle, usually the market would want to grab those mark more confidently, in my own experience. So in that exact case, the risky trade would be taken out, and I would have been able to take profits. Well, not yet, by the way, but most likely. But to be honest, guys, in the reality, since we were bullish on the 1 hour, and since there was only weak hit by the, even on 1 minute, was only weak hit in fair value gap. So not really seeing the world where I enter on that. Yeah, on ENQ we are still bullish. If we do not disrespect that gap, up on hourly gap, which will happen in 9 minutes now, not even 8 1. So I would be bullish, I'd say, maybe, or nah, those Asia lows just too close. So no, I'd rather be bearish, but only if Nasdaq gives me a proper retrace. I don't like that I can't see that candle candlestick. Oh, now I can see this candlestick. That's good, because that could be the place where I am entering or no. And if we disrespect that gap, but we don't have any other gaps, and so yeah, if we just disrespect it, I could enter bearish, I would say. We disrespected, so I technically should enter right now, but 3 minutes left until, yeah, until the shit, like until this hourly candle closes. And if we close above this orange low, which I marked out hourly, it will mean we're still bullish according to our order flow, and that would mean I wouldn't be really willing to enter on that. We're technically in a bullish SMT right now, so Kind of hard thing to decide on. But, yeah, I entered. I think that wasn't a bad thing. Let's see how this plays out. Technically, there is 1 minute before this hourly candle closes, so it was still a risky thing. Okay, just as I thought. But what do you mean? What a manipulation on the market today. But it was really kind of hard. But technically, we're in a bearish SMT at the moment. We closed hourly in this gap. Yeah, guys, we closed on this gap. Fuck. That's horrible. I'll maybe close. I'll just close out. Yeah, I closed out, guys. Because, in my opinion, mm, yeah, I barely lost anything. So, in my opinion, we could just, we won't just go lower off of that. Since on the ES we are pushing significantly, on NQ we did respect this 1 hour gap, and we are probably just gonna reverse now to the upside to target maybe those relatively equal highs. Cantered again. For sure, it's not looking good. But technically, those relatively equal lows are too good. Yeah, we're pushing now to the downside. That's a good thing for me. I'm like you want to close out, but well, I've seen consolidations a lot, but literally same place and nothing is happening. Like I haven't seen such things, to be honest. Okay, closed because it's really not looking good at all. If reverses for value gap on NQ right now on the 1 minute, I will enter bearish. If no, I will call it a day because market's been too volatile to trade with such a price action. So I'm not just a fan of that. So we are again with just fuck. Okay, enter. Fuck it. Let's just see how this goes. Okay, we're probably gonna stop me. This shit is probably gonna stop me out. So yeah. I got stopped out. It's been the worst market price action today I've ever fucking seen. In like, bro, you've been literally on the same price for 15 minutes. We've done nothing. I don't know. Is it because of that feature nomination vote, that kind of stuff? But on such a days, I won't even look at the markets because it just doesn't make sense. Every analysis you make just completely being ignored. They're just not worth it to trade such a thing. I'm down 800 in total, so it will take an eternity for me to take this shit back. And like, yeah, and the calendar is looking awful in this month, and I'm kind of most likely stay negative this month. But yeah, we shall see how this is gonna end up going, guys. Yeah, I lost like $191.73. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys. Yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow.